Hi, today for the MOTOROLA Razr 40 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And we could see that by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or to edit the name, just enter the new one just by click on the name. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should hold and just drag it. To remove application from the folder, you should just hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon by this way. And also we could remove all of the applications with the folder together, but just by press hold and drag it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.